When you're young, when you're restless, when you're fun, cause you're desperate.
Hey guys, Eve here, and today I'm going to do something a little different than what you usually see on my channel. So, as some of you may know from watching previous videos of mine, I am heading to Disney World, and when this video goes live, I'm actually already going to be there. So I decided to film a quick pack with me video so that you guys can see what I'm taking down with me and what I'm bringing into the parks. I'm not going to include the specifics on all the different types of makeup I'm taking. If you guys are interested in what makeup I wear in the parks, go ahead and let me know in the comments down below. But if you want to see my outfits and the other types of personal items I like to take when I travel, go ahead and keep on watching. So my flight outfit starts with this Lion King t-shirt. It's really cute. I got it at Goodwill a while ago. I'm not sure where it's from originally, but it's got the characters on it in silhouette form. And I'm pairing this with a gray cardigan and a pair of high-waisted jeans from Old Navy and my fake Vans from Target. They're gray, they're pastel, I like that aesthetic lately. And then since the first day there is Valentine's Day, later that night we're heading to the Polynesian and I'm wearing this long floral maxi dress. It's got slits up the sides and I'm pairing it with a pair of black sandals. In Animal Kingdom, I'm planning on wearing a Lion King shirt once again. This one says Hakuna Matata with the characters in silhouette form. I got this at Target in the men's section. And I'm pairing it with these black shorts that I got from Forever 21 a couple summers ago. For Magic Kingdom Day, I'm wearing this Pizza Planet shirt. It's got the little green aliens being pulled out of the pocket by the claw. And I'm pairing it with some high-waisted shorts. Both outfits will be paired with my black sandals. They're kind of gladiator-ish with some gold accents, and I'm pairing it with my classic red Minnie Mouse ears. I got these from the parks. So at Epcot, I'm wearing this Peter Pan shirt. It says, "I'm so fly, I never land," with the characters in silhouette form. I picked this up at Target in the men's section as well. You'll notice the theme here. And I'm pairing it with the black shorts as before. And at Hollywood Studios, I'm wearing this Princess Leia tank. It says, "Don't mess with the princess." I picked this up at Target as well in the women's section. And I'm pairing it with the same high-waisted shorts. Both outfits will be paired with my fake Vans and my rose gold ears. I'm not entirely sure what shop I got this from because it was a birthday gift last year, but if I could find the link, I'll link it down below. We do have a day spent at Downtown Disney, and so I'm wearing my Star Wars Death Star shirt in moon phases. It's really cool, and I'm pairing it with this black skater shirt and my Vans. And then for the flight home, my outfit is actually pretty similar as the flight in, but I'm wearing a Mickey tank instead. I got this at H&M a couple years back with my high-waisted jeans and my gray cardigan and my Vans. Now to pack it all up, I roll all of my shirts really tightly, and then I pack all my bottoms in really flat. I push it down towards the bottom to try to make as much space as possible. Then I take my rolled shirts and I place them on top towards the bottom of the bag. I stuff as many as I can in there. You'd be surprised at how much you could fit. My undergarments also go in this area, but you won't be able to see them here. Then at the top, I put in my toiletries bag, my Jaclyn Hill palette. It's perfect for travel because there's so many different colors, and my makeup brushes bag. This keeps everything compact. Then I put the straps around and tighten it to make it as small as possible. This carry-on comes with a detachable backpack. So in this backpack, I'm going to put my Disney ears, a portable neck pillow, and a book. This is Mindy Kaling's Is Everyone Hanging Out Without Me and Other Concerns. Really excited to read this. I zip it onto my carry-on, and then I'm good to go. As for what I'm taking into the parks, I have my Kate and Alex bag, and inside it I'm going to put this cosmetic bag. And this is going to be stuffed with a used poncho. I just reuse them. I feel like it's more eco-friendly. Some deodorant. This is Dove. It's not cruelty-free, but it's a travel deodorant I've had for years. Some NYX blotting papers. I haven't tried these out yet. I'll let you guys know. Facial tissues, of course. Hand sanitizer. Band-aids. blister band-aids, a sewing kit just in case, you never know, and some Advil. Zip it all up and pop it right into the bag. And then I have my electronics bag. And in this I put a plastic baggie just to make sure that everything stays dry, my GoPro camera stand, an extra memory card, my portable charger, and my charger cords. Zip it up, put it in the bag as well. Then of course I'm bringing my Sony a5100 so I can vlog in the parks, my new sunglasses, a Disneyland sweater even though I'm going to Disney World just to keep me warm. In the front pocket I'm putting my autograph book and some pens. And in the back pocket I'm putting important things like cash, my ID, a card of some sort. And then that's set. I absolutely love this bag. Not only is it really cute, it's millennial pink and it's got black and silver details, but from what I can tell, Kate and Alex as a company only uses faux leather. Alright guys, so that's all I have to show you. I'll try to link as many items from this video in the description box down below. If you like this style of video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and if you like me, please click that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. Big shout out to Miss Amy XO. Thank you so much for your love on my Valentine's Day video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.